I'm done, bro.
Yo,
I'm
stop
actually
doing
done.
that shit. Stop it, cause they think, bro, you want to get kicked again? Honestly, bro.
Yeah.
This is your
Bro,
mentality.
yo, we lost. We lost A. We lost A. We lost A.
What the hell?
Alright, Airvade, say
What
it,
the
girl.
hell was that?
What the fuck-
What's his name? Fire alarm?
Fire
Dude, I'm telling you. What the hell was that?
Yo, this girl got her leg decapacitated.
What?
What?
You did not say the correct word.
You did not say.
Okay, we lost it. Andy, I just saw that you suck.
What the hell?
Yeah, they have 2 guys above Tim.
I think they have more than us. I could be wrong.
Dual swords are so fucking bad.
Okay, I killed him. There's another. Oh! Oh shit! I just cleared! I cleared!
Bobo, bro.
What?
I'm going
This dude's
Oh
trying
shit!
to.
I hopped
next
out.
week.
This nigga's trying to
hopped out,
fuck
wait.
on bubble
Where
melt,
you
bro.
going?
This nigga's trying to fuck on bubble melt. This is crazy.
Yeah,
Going
we're not
next
doing
week.
that.
Yes, we are. I
Wait,
mean,
Wait, hold on. What? What the fuck is that? What is that? Ready?
You gotta smoke him.
Look, he did not finish.
We're gonna work together as a team and we're gonna succeed. Olympius on 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
What the?
She's slow, bro. She's slow.
Bro, please, can I get a chance with her?
What?
If I can't have you, I'll settle for the next person in line, bro. Please.
Bro.
I have 2 older sisters. How about you go for them? Somewhere in your age range.
No, I want the younger one.
Oh my.
Damn.
What's good, Cheesy?
Yo.
Oh,
Check
I found
out
my
this
Hellcat.
shit. What the fuck? You piece of shit, dude. Why?
I just killed him.
He said, what?
Why?